What's up guys, Preston coming to you today with another amazing vlog, and I am on the way to McLaren, Charlotte to do another video. So I've never been inside a actual Lamborghini before, so today I'm gonna see, let me focus. All right, there we go. So I've actually never been inside a Lamborghini before. That's the only exotic car I've never been inside of, and today I'm going to hop inside of one and do a walk around one. So those of you guys who always want to know what it looked like that follow my channel, I'm definitely going to have that walk around for you. And not exactly sure of the model just yet. Which one is it? LP610? The white one? Okay, the white one is an LP610. So yeah, we're gonna take a walk around. I'm gonna tell you guys what I think about it. Of course, you know I want a Lamborghini one day. That's my end all goal. First of all, see if I can fit into it and it makes sense for me. So guys, just follow along, walk with me. Let's take a walk and let's look at our Lamborghini. I'll see you guys in a few once I get this bad boy moved. Oh, here we go, right here. It's the white Skittle, but follow along. What you hear is a McLaren. It's way down there. It's green, but that is a McLaren 575.
That's good.
I did not expect it to be that loud at all. I was a little too close to the exhaust.
So this one got the racing buckets, which is, you don't see it as much. I wouldn't say rare, but you just don't see it.
And as always, we are at McLaren, Charlotte when it comes to our supercars, our exotic cars. And I got Darius back here with me. It's been a while since I've seen him. Darius?
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while, you know, COVID hit, and I was at home because I got two little ones, trying to make sure I stay safe. My girl works in the health field. I cannot get anything and take it home with me. So first and foremost, thank Darius. Guys, if you want to contact him for any exotic car, what's a good number to reach you at?
704-430-2545.
And call Darius, guys. But other than that, let's get started. Again, thank you guys for everything. I'll be right back once I get these keys. This is a 2016, and I've never been inside of a Lamborghini, so I'm super stoked to bring this car to you. I popped the trunk, whatever you want to call it. It's in the front, so we're gonna call it a front. I popped the front for you guys. We're actually gonna start with the front and kind of work our way around the vehicle. So follow me. All right, back to the front of the Lambo. Let's open it up. The hood is super light is the first thing you notice. That's really cool. Compared to the 720, I think they're around the same weight. I don't know. I think it'd be around the same weight. One don't feel heavier than the other to me. The frunk on this one looks a little smaller than our 720, but who cares? It's a Lamborghini. All right. Not much trunk room. Only thing you could put in there, maybe a couple bags of grocery. That would be all I could see going in there. Unfortunately, as I say in all my other videos, no dead body's gonna fit in that front right there. All right, so let's take a look at the rims. 245 30/20. Of course, you got your 5 lugs. All of them locked. All right, so guys, this is the most exciting moment in a very long time for me. I've never been inside a Lamborghini. Ooh, I'm kind of like girling out right now. Here we go. All right, door handle. Let me show you guys this. Let me lock it back. Look at the door handle on there. Once you unlock it, whoop. One day my door handles will do that, I promise you. All right, so here we go. first thing I noticed is that I'm 6'5", and that is sitting on the ground. So let's see if we can do this. All right, ass first. Oh my God. And these are the bucket seats in here. This is is this an aftermarket thing, the bucket seats?
No, it's factory.
Okay, bucket seats are factory, but all of them do not come with bucket seats. I must say, this actually fits pretty well. Let me see if I can. It's backed all the way up, and this is my leg room right now, guys. So it's backed all the way up, and I'm not gonna cut it on just yet. We're gonna talk about a couple things in here first. So, well, there go the bull. Dash, you got all your regular console buttons, reverse, park, manual, parking brake. We do not have cup holders, which everybody knows has been the issue with these things. Okay, there is no dash compartment, but what do you expect as a Lamborghini? Look at the back view. The back view is absolutely dope on it. You can't see anything, but again, you're in a Lamborghini. So you got your bull on the seat. Is this a CD player? Is that a CD player? My God. I don't think I've seen one of them since the last time I went to church. We got our dash compartment here. It's a little dark in here, so you won't really be able to see inside of it, but that's the hand space right there. That's literally all the space you got. Ouch. All right, so of course you got your buttons, windows, that's the front end up and down to pull out of places. It's probably not gonna focus on it because of the lighting on it, guys. But okay, there we go. Traction control, emergency. You guys can read it. All right, so something that I always wanted to do. This is like my dream right here, guys. I am about to fulfill my dream of cranking up a Lamborghini before I own one, but I will have one day. All right, you're not on the phone, are you?
No,
yeah, okay. All right, so I had to make sure you weren't on the phone because it is loud. So I'm gonna give you guys one inside of the car, and I'm gonna give you a start outside of the car so you can literally hear it. All right, foot on the brake. Telling me that my front is open, so we got to go close the hood. But I'm gonna give you guys a rev as we look inside of it. All right, this is inside. So this is gonna be a rev inside of the car right here. Here we go. Okay, all right. Let me do this outside so you guys can see. I gotta get Darius to help me with this one. All right. Oh shit, y'all! This is shit.
It doesn't work out getting in and out of this.
Nah, it don't at all. If I can get you to crank her up and hit the gas for me a couple times.
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, thank you, sir. Guys, I'm telling you, this does not do it justice. But listen to it. Guys, I don't know about you, but I'm kind of deaf. I hope for you guys that have headphones in, AirPods, hooked up, whatever, on surround sound. If you hooked up to a speaker right now, somebody mad at you because that car is loud. Guys, I've never been in a Lamborghini, let alone turned one on. This is amazing. Let me show you guys something else here. The amount of quality that goes into this actual door handle slash vehicle. Y'all can tear the leather, the stitching, like, is absolutely immaculate. You got your mirror controls here, lock, unlock. Guys, the actual quality, feel to touch is crazy. Like, this is crazy. Feels absolutely amazing. I dropped everything getting out. Damn, I was struggling. And these are the bucket seats again. This don't slide at all, but who cares? It's a Lamborghini. I know that's my phrase, this vlog. I can't exactly figure out how to open the back of it, but I know somebody in this video is gonna comment and try to tell me how to do it. I'm cool with that. Please tell me how to open the back of it up. Got your gas tank here. What's this, 90 up? Yep. Cannot run anything lower than 92. Which obviously you wouldn't want to. But guys, I know the average person honestly can't afford a car like this, let alone most people in their lifetime. So I hope somebody at home can look at this and live through me right now with this experience of the Lamborghini and just understand, like, it's just kind of experience in life. If you have a Lamborghini dealership near you or just exotic dealership, just go out and check one out. It's pretty cool. This is something that I'm passionate about in my life as far as reviewing cars and sitting in a Lamborghini. I went for my first 720 ride with that man right there. Never been in a 720 before. It felt like I was riding on an airplane with 4 wheels. But we're gonna close this up here. And again, we want to thank Darius for making this happen for us, because honestly, again, this is a passion, this is a dream of mine, and I think we gotta move our Lamborghini, or we can just close the door. Okay, so we're just gonna close the door on our Lamborghini. What kind of price does something like this sell for?
This one's pre-owned. It's a 2016.
Okay, so something like this goes for $189. I know.
Brand new, you're talking
$250.
right at a quarter.
Okay. Woo! So let me get in the light again so you guys can see me. So brand new, this is around a quarter mil, $250,000, just for the math for y'all. Again, like I said, the average person can't afford this. The thing is the experience. You know, one day, you guys, just make sure that whatever you strive for, that you strive high. You know, for me, I've been in the cars for the longest. This is my end all goal. I promise you I'll have one. I promise you I will. But in the meantime, I'll just keep checking them out, looking at cars and see what I like. By the time I can afford one, I know what I like at least. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you. And again, let's take one more look at the beast before he put it back. And I'm about to wrap this up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.